What's up, guys? It's Coach Nedu here at Stowe Training Systems. Today I'm going to talk to you about some common mistakes with loaded carries or farmer carries. I'll help kind of teach you some of the cues we use here at Stowe Training Systems to help prevent any type of mistakes with the farmer carries. So with this exercise, the loaded carry is simply having some weight off to the side, and you're just going to walk in a controlled manner. So some of the mistakes we find when people are picking up like a weight, for example, I have this kettlebell here. The moment they pick it up, their shoulders are back, they're extended at the rib cage as it's flaring out, or they're letting the weight drop them down, so they're really not engaging their core muscles, they're just letting the weight kind of do the work, or they speed up their walk as they're carrying the weight. So one of the things we like to teach here is we want to walk with braced abs or owning this position, this rib cage position. So if you take kind of like where the nipple is in your waistline and you brace in that position, notice I'm sturdy and I'm not allowing myself to kind of shake and wobble as I walk. Also in this position, I don't want to see a forward neck posture as I'm carrying the weight or leaning to one side. I want to stand upright, brace my abs, own this rib cage position, head behind chest, neutral position for your neck so that you're not going gooseneck. And then as we're walking, we want to make sure that we're not speed walking, right? It's a loaded carry. Take the time, walk heel to toe, and squeeze the weight as you're walking at the same time. Also, another mistake I find is when people are walking with heavy weights, they try to keep it on the side of their body as they're walking. So they kind of walk like this. I want you to squeeze the weight and try not to let it touch your body. Head back, brace your abs, and walk heel to toe. And those are just a few of the cleanups or techniques we like to use when coaching farmer carries or loaded carries. Till next time, I'm Coach Nedu. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment.